How to fix Google error your account wasn't added. If you try to log into your Play Store account and if it says that your account wasn't added, then the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you may face that kind of problem. But if it's not the internet connection, if you have a stable internet connection, then you can open up your settings. And after opening your settings, scroll down and go for apps. And under your apps, here you can go for see all apps, and here you can scroll down and you can choose Google Play services. And under that, you can go for storage and cache, and here you can tap on clear storage, and under your clear storage, here you will have clear all data on the third option. You can simply tap on clear all data, and you need to clear all of the data that you have on your Google Play services. And once you've done that, you can go back and then tap on clear cache and clear your cache. And after that, you can again go back and again, and here you will have Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store and again go for storage and cache, and here also you can clear your storage and your cache. You can do both of that. Tap on delete. And once you do all of these, you can again go back to your Play Store and try to log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can choose any VPN service on your Google or your Chrome browser, and once you turn on your VPN, you can again try to log into your account, or you can try to create your account, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.